how to fix Snapchat AI feature is not available. So if you want to fix your problem with the AI on Snapchat, then first open up your Snapchat application. And once you open your Snapchat, now you can simply go for your profile, which will be on the upper left. And you can go for settings, which is on the upper right. Now scroll down, and here you will have clear my AI data. Tap on that, and again tap on confirm, and you can again tap on confirm, and your AI problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then remove that and open up your settings. Scroll down and go for apps, and now you can open up your Snapchat on your settings, and you can go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. And once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can simply go for uninstall. And once you uninstall your application, you can again install it from your Play Store or your App Store. And after doing that, you can log in back to your account and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go for the power button. Simply tap and hold on to that power button. Simply tap and hold on to your power button, and here you will have restart option. Tap on restart and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your Snapchat AI feature. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.